Hi, everybody. Welcome to Animation Capstone. That's right. Welcome to week 5. We're almost all the way through, halfway point, actually. So we're going to get in there. Hope everybody's having a great weekend. Hope everything went well. Just give everybody a heads up. I'll get to your grades as soon as I can. Should have them by Thursday, as always. So that way, if there are any problems, questions, concerns, you should have some time to take a look at it. Other than that, I figured I'd just, since we're looking into Premiere Pro real heavily and starting to work with transitions and stuff, just kind of introduce the program overall. Even though I probably should have introduced it earlier, but since we're really getting into it and about to start the first 30 seconds and really start editing and actually adding clips into the project, I figured I'd start like just giving a quick introduction on what the program can do, even though it's probably just a quick review since everybody's probably had some training with it before. So yeah, let's get into it. So Premiere Pro is the project system we're going to be working on. It's an Adobe product. It works really great with video editing, audio editing, and you can do a lot of great things with it, like demo reels, trailers, so much more. And it's really effective because the one great thing about it is that it can use a lot of different file types. So no matter what file type you're using currently, Premiere Pro should adjust it automatically for it. And that's like the biggest thing about Premiere Pro is just the features with it. You can import any footage from any file format, audio or video, and that's really great thing about it. And the hugest thing that works really well with it is you can edit, trim footage with precision. Especially with like start and end cuts, really good transitions, and you can add a lot of different animations and video effects. Their stock animation and videos are very, very, very detailed. And the great thing about that is it's just with those effects and animation, you can edit audio and sound effects and animation and video effects to any one of your likings. And if you don't want to go custom work, they have a really good set of templates that really work great, and they really work fast. Another thing, just take a look at it is also they have a lot of different After Effects, especially with like Adobe Stock and Adobe Stock images. So all those stock images you see in those stock After Effects and everything that you get online, you can actually have it purchased for you. So that way everything's ready to go. That's the great thing about Premiere Pro. They have a lot of different transitions and animations with it, but also just the file formats. That's the really big aspect about it, is just how many file formats they can really get into. So that's a really big thing. But yeah, other than that, there are some challenges with Adobe Premiere Pro. Some little issues, not too many, because the system's been worked on over like decades. But we tend to see a lot of times when you're using files from Photoshop or PSDs to implement in a Premiere Pro, sometimes it creates memory leaks. But you won't really see that unless like your CPU kind of goes a little too high and heavy. So just be careful about that. When you're like rendering videos or actually like trying to produce them, sometimes it may take up too much of the memory on the computer. It might slow it down real bad. So that's a possibility. QuickTime exports, they have trouble with it sometimes too. So that's another issue to take a look at. Even though you can export and import multiple file types, QuickTime seemed to have some bugs with it. So I think they fixed most of these issues with it already, but it's still an issue. There's also a couple other small bugs, like the title crawl moves backwards on initial load sometimes with videos, so that's something to keep in mind. And also just check back to get back to basics tutorials if you haven't used it in a while, so that way you can kind of see what you can use about it and any other things with it. So yeah, just a quick intro of Premiere Pro. So we will have lectures always normal time on Tuesday, same time, 7 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Central. Link should be posted along with the rubrics, and we'll go over your assignments and your discussions tomorrow during lectures, so that way you have that. Other than that, that's all I got. So be safe, have fun, enjoy, everybody. Hope everybody has a great week. I'll see everybody for lecture on Tuesday. That's pretty much it. Bye, everybody, and enjoy.